All right, guys, so if you were thinking about selling your home and you've been following along, you know that it's a seller's market. And I've talked to you guys about how it's a great time to be selling, that you can really maximize the value in your home. And clearly we are in the height of the spring season when everybody's thinking about doing this. However, just because it's a seller's market, that doesn't mean that there aren't things that you need to do to get your home ready. In my mind, attention to detail is everything, as well as first impressions for those buyers. So I'm gonna start from the outside in, and I'm gonna drop a few tips for you every week. So today I'm gonna focus on the outside, and I'm gonna drop 5 tips that I think are super easy, quick, and very inexpensive, if anything at all. Number 1, landscape. This can mean a lot of different things depending on who you are and what you're used to and doing around your home. I think you can easily weed around your home, get everything cleaned up, grab a few bags of mulch, throw that down, and you're good to go. Number 2, planters. Planters on either side of your front door or your front porch. I think those can go a long way. Just put some ferns or something green in it if you don't want to maintain flowers. I think that can make a huge difference. If you don't have a front porch, just put a nice wreath on the door or something like that. I think that can go a long way and be super inviting. Number 3, the front door. This can mean a couple of different things. You might need to replace the front door. You don't want to go to that expense. Just paint the front door or just simply clean the front door. I know that you might not notice this, and honestly, a lot of people go in and out through their garage if you have an attached garage, so you might not even pay much attention to your front door. But again, first impressions when they're walking up to your home and walking through that front door, clean, fresh, presentable, it really makes a long-lasting impression. Number 4, doormat. You might not have thought of that one. Super cheap and inexpensive. You can find really cute ones at Target or something like that that can go a long way. And again, just something fresh and eye-catching when they're walking up to that front door. Number 5, power wash the house. Just take a walk around your house, take a look at everything that's going on. You probably don't have to paint. It's just a matter of cleaning. If it's been through winter, that's just something you need to do annually anyway. So take a look, power wash your house, clean the windows, just make it shine. And again, that doesn't cost you anything. Probably just a Saturday afternoon and you're done. So again, guys, first impressions are everything from the outside in, curb appeal, wash those windows, put that doormat down, put up those planters, throw down some mulch, and boom, you're ready to go. So stay tuned for more tips that I'll be bringing you soon.